Hello, what's up guys? This is a short tutorial for the booty music dance challenge. Okay, so remember, this is my right and this is my left. Now we start. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step close. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Wave and wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, so follow me for more TikTok dance tutorials. Peace!